Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes without an oven. First, gather your ingredients and choose your cooking method, either a stovetop steamer or a pressure cooker. Prepare your cupcake batter according to your favorite recipe. Remember to use cupcake liners that fit well within your chosen cooking vessel. This method is perfect for small batches or when an oven isn't available, offering a delicious alternative. For the stovetop steamer method, you'll need a large pot with a lid and a steaming rack. Add about 1 to 2 inches of water to the pot and bring it to a gentle boil. Carefully place your filled cupcake liners on the rack, ensuring they don't touch the water. Cover the pot tightly and steam for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Check for doneness with a toothpick. It should come out clean. Using a pressure cooker is another excellent way to make cupcakes without an oven. Pour 1 cup of water into the cooker and place a trivet or stand inside. Arrange your cupcake liners on the trivet, making sure they are stable. Close the lid securely and cook on high pressure for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once done, perform a quick release of the pressure, and your cupcakes will be ready. For best results, avoid overfilling your cupcake liners. Aim for about 2/3 full. This prevents spillage and ensures even cooking. Once cooked, let your cupcakes cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about frosting them. This prevents the frosting from melting. Get creative with your frosting and decorations to make them truly special. Enjoy your delicious, oven-free treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.